Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the application error 0xc00007b on Windows 11 using simple steps. First, click on the Start menu. In the search bar, type CMD. From the search results, find Command Prompt. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If a user account control pop-up appears, click Yes. Now you will see a black command prompt window. Here, type SFC/scannow. Make sure you type it correctly. Then press Enter. The System File Checker will now start scanning your computer for corrupted system files. This process may take several minutes, so wait patiently. If any issues are found, Windows will automatically repair them. Once the scan is complete, restart your computer. After your system restarts, open any web browser. In the search bar, type DirectX download and press Enter. Look for the official Microsoft website and open it. Download the DirectX setup file from there. Once the file is downloaded, open it. Accept the license agreement and click Next. You may see an option to install the Bing bar. Uncheck that option to avoid installing it. Then click Next and continue through the setup steps until the installation begins. Wait for the installation to finish. Once it is done, click Finish. Now restart your computer again to apply the changes. Thanks for watching.